The next speaker is going to be Lata. As sir said, she is always with a smile. She is an inspirational in the way that she always brings a lot of creativity, highly innovative. I don't know from where she brings that enthusiasm, but she always keeps motivated by her creativity. Let's take a look what she's going to say. Yeah, Lata, I'm inviting you. Please.
Thank you, Prakash sir. Yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Prakash sir. I'm very glad to address you all here on this starring Sunday on behalf of EmoCare. Do you want the real need of recognition? Then be a leader in your team, in your group, in your community, in this society. Then you can change your world. Right? Before going to my topic, I would like to give you a small activity for you. So fill your answers in the chat box. Listen carefully to the question. Right? If 1 is equals to 5, 2 is equals to 10, 3 is equals to 15, 4 is equals to 20, then 5 is equals to how much? Come on. 25. Superb. 25. Fun. 25. 25. Yeah, it's go on. Very superb. Excellent. Thank you. 5. Yeah, someone wrote it. 1. Right. 5. I told you before. 1 is equals to 5. That means 5 is equals to 1. See, what does the leader need? The first and the foremost thing, that is active listening. So you all are listening very keenly. You are going to be the future leader. So today I am here to explain you about the effective goals of a leader. So before going to that, I would like to define what is a goal. For that, I will give you a simple example by differentiating what is an objective, goal, and vision. For suppose, consider a civil engineering student. What would be his objective, goal, and vision? His objective should be to pass in his final year with 90% marks. His goal should be to work in the best construction company. His vision should be to be a leader in his team, or to be a best employee in his company. So coming to the objectives of a leader, coming to the goals of a leader, coming to the vision of a leader, what it would be? The objective of a leader should be team building, organizing, and planning. The goal of a leader should be reaching the targets. The vision of a leader should be bringing the dream targets to the reality. Right? So, what would be the vision of an individual? What would be your vision? It's very simple. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is this vision? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Imagine, dream big. If you're having 6-digit salary with 5 rooms of house, with 4-wheeler car, and 3 servants in your home, and 2 kids, and 1 heartful life partner. Imagine that this could be your vision, right? Now let's go to our PPT to explain what are the effective goals that a leader should have. See, here you see the followers. The followers are boosted up by the leader to reach their goal. Let's move to the next slide. For that, see, if you want the wings of a leader, what are the things you need to do? I have a 4 years formula for you. What's the date today? It's 13. That means 1 plus 3, 4. There were 4 S formula to be a leader. Number 1 is make the stronger connections. You have to bond with your team. You have to make the stronger connections with your team. The number 2 S is Make the smarter decisions. You have to make the smarter decisions. You are the responsible of your team. Either it is a win or lose. You have to take that responsibility. You are the representative of your team. Remember. Number 3S is securing the resources. You have to secure your resources according to the situation. For future, what you need. For the present, what you need. And number 4S is successful results. By bringing on the continuous progress, you can attain the successful results in your team. We'll move to the next slide. See, what will be the goals of a leader? Here are some simple goals that a leader should set for himself to gain the success in his team. Those are creating the vision. A leader must create a vision for himself and for his team also. Number 2 is formulating the strategies. He should use all the strategies. He should keep the effort on his team, right? Promoting the teamwork. He should promote his teamwork and motivating them. He should continuously motivate his team. Okay, here I am going to introduce the 2 transformational leaders who won the independence for their nation without a war. Next slide, please. Here, none other than Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela. Mahatma Gandhi is the major figure for independence through non-violence and satyagraha. And the other person, Nelson Mandela, his goal is to attain the freedom and equality to his people. Nearly he stayed 30 years in the prison for his followers, for his subordinates. You know that? He is the global symbol of human rights. Real leaders sacrifice for their followers. It's never about the role. It's only about their goal. What is their goal? Their common goal is freedom and equality for their people. So great leaders don't set out to be leader. They make the difference. For you have to learn from them what you have to learn. Then what you have to do. Here is LPG. What is this LPG? Is it liquefied petroleum gas? No, it is learn, practice, grow. You have to learn from them. You have to keep practicing them. You have to grow as a powerful leader, right? Goal which suits for himself is derived as a businessman, and the goal suits for self and for society is derived as a leader. You know, that is the thing. Let's move to the next slide. Then what is your vision as a leader? Leadership is a capacity to translate the vision into the reality. You should bring your vision in your team, in your group, in your society to the reality. Okay, hope you all like it very much, right? Thank you so much. Thank you. And I am giving an activity for you. Today, you sit, you write goals for this 2021 and put it on a paper and work on it with daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly targets. You are all going to be the successful future leaders. Thank you. Thank you for Shiva sir, and over to Prakash sir.
Thank you, Lata. Hello, everyone. I don't know what to speak now. See, when she was speaking, I was just looking at everyone's face. There was a change. Everywhere there was smile. That's why we call the smile is contagious. This is one of the qualities of a leader. The way she comes and expresses, it makes a change in everyone. That's what we talk about, the communication, public speaking, the stage presence. That was really spontaneous, Lata. Everyone loved it. And we took the message, how our great leaders will set the vision, mission, and then the goals. Very clearly and in a very simple way, you made it very clear. I'm pretty sure that everyone liked it, and they will definitely carry forward and apply this in their own life. Thank you very much. That was really nice.
Yeah, Prakash.
Yeah.
So the message was communicated very clearly by Lata.